Right, so the McRib is back. I'm about to try the McRib. All right, for the first time, second time. No, this is the third time I'm trying the McRib. I'm gonna have a bite of it. So let's look at what we have. We have fries. We have French fries. I don't know if they're French or American. We have Sprite, and we have the McRib. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. So let's get started. I'm gonna open up the box. Look at that. Smell that. Doesn't it smell good? Look at I'm gonna open it up so you can see a little bit. Look at the onions, the pickles, the barbecue sauce, the McRib. All right, all in between two pieces of bun. Absolute goodness. Right here, have your classic French fries or American fries. I'm gonna take some of the French fries and I'm gonna dip them in some of the barbecue sauce that's on the side of the McRib. Absolute goodness. I'm gonna take a sip of this. Oh, that's good. French fries are good. McDonald's, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Absolute goodness. All right, let me take some more of this. Got the honey mustard. Gonna get a bite of this rib. Look at it. Can you smell that? That's good. It's really good. I'm gonna take some of the fries and dip them in the honey mustard. It's really good. Take some of these fries, dip it in the barbecue sauce. That's absolute goodness too. But I'm gonna do something unique. I'm gonna dip in the honey mustard, then dip in the barbecue sauce, and then dip back into the honey mustard. That's goodness. Oh, that was good. All right, let me get back to the sandwich. This is good. You really taste the onion and the pickle. They really bring out the flavor. That's good. I'm gonna dip some of it in the honey mustard. Take a bite out. This is so good. Now, this is Sprite, but there is no button for Sprite, so I'm gonna have to hit the other switch and then taste it. Absolute goodness. Well, I'm gonna finish eating the rest of this. You guys take care. Let me know what your experience is with the McRib, all right? Absolute goodness.